Good morning, children. We're going to do question 4 of Unit 20 of your IXL book. Topic is speed. Let's go on to question 4. Okay, right. Henry took 5 hours. Ladies and gentlemen, please highlight and also make sure that you write this as your time. Okay. To travel from town A to town B. His average speed for the whole journey was 70 kilometers per hour. Straight away you can do something. You got speed, you got time, so you can find the distance for the whole journey. You see, I have not even finished reading the question, but I can do something. Distance for whole journey, and that will be, please check whether the units are consistent. This is hour, this is also hour, so we're going to take 70. This will be speed times time. Speed times time. So this will be 70 multiplied by 5, and this will give you 350 kilometers. Right, good. There's nothing else we can do, so we move on to the next sentence. For the first 3/7 of the journey, he traveled at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So we can actually find the distance. So I'm going to copy this entire phrase. See, right, 3/7 of journey. So what will be the distance? So I take 3/7. Off you replace by times. Take the 350 kilometers. This will give you 150 km. So this 150 km is the distance, and he took a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So what was the time taken? Time taken for 3/7 of journey. Time taken will be, you take distance divided by your speed. Now the distance for 3/7 of the journey will be 150 kilometers divided by the speed will be 60 kilometers per hour. What does this give you? This gives you 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Okay, so time taken for 3/7 of the journey is 2.5 hours. Time taken for the whole journey is 5 hours. So, can we find out for time taken for the remaining journey? Okay, what do? We take the total time, which is 5 hours, minus That will give me 2.5 hours again. What is the distance for remaining journey? Now the distance for the remaining journey will be very simple. We know the total distance is 350. We know the remaining is 150. We know the 3/7 of the journey is 150 kilometers. So all we need to do is we take 350 minus 150. What do we get? 200. So the remaining distance is 200 kilometers. Now look at the last part of your question. Find the speed for the remaining journey. Do you realize that we have time for remaining, distance for remaining, so speed for remaining journey will be, we take the distance, which is 200, divided by what's the time we have here? 2.5, and this will give you 80 kilometers per hour. Right, quite simple, right? Step by step, I'll go through again. First you find the distance for the whole journey using the speed here and the time here, 350 kilometers. First 3/7 of the journey, there will be 3/7 times 350, 150 kilometers. He traveled at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. You can go and find the time using the distance divided by speed, which is 150 divided by 60. That will give you 2.5 hours. So the time taken for the remaining journey will be, the total time here is 5 hours. Minus away 2.5 hours, you get 2.5 hours. Now what is the distance for the remaining journey? Total is 350. 150 kilometers has been traveled by Henry already, so he's left with 200 kilometers to travel in 2.5 hours. So the speed for remaining journey will be 200 divided by 2.5. Thus, your answer will be 80 kilometers per hour. Now play this video again and learn at your own pace so that you can understand the question much better. Thank you.